to another video, and today I am going to deal with one MacBook because one of them doesn't have a board. This is a MacBook top case I found at the dumpster. I was dumpster diving. I removed the stickers on the lid and half of the palm rest. You can see the residue still there, and this part I'm still getting work done. So this is basically one update. Today you can see it's either 2012 or 2011. 13-inch unibody MacBook Pro casing, and to prove that it is, here's the casing for it. I just transferred some screws from my 2010 unibody, but first of all we're gonna focus on the 2012 MacBook Pro. And if you're wondering what this video is about, well, it's gonna be about, will this 2012 battery work in my 2010 MacBook Pro? Well, like, does it even work, you know, like not compatible, like stuff like that. I mean, does it even, is it holding a charge? Does it charge? Does it even work? You know, does it, you know what I mean. But anyways, let's start unscrewing the screws, and you can like see some damage right there. The little bulging, that's where the hard drive is, but there's no hard drive there, so yeah. So just unscrewing the screws. And this does not have a board, so can't count it as a laptop. Like, one tip for selling laptops, I've never sold laptops before, but if you're selling a lot of like 29 MacBooks, don't count one without a board, a MacBook, or a laptop if it's any sort of kind, because that really defeats the purpose of even calling it a part slot. Alright, now that it's open, you can see it does not have a board, so it's not a laptop, and you can see the loose DVD drive, it's loose, and yep. And let's just start unscrewing the battery, I guess. You can see right here, it's a little Why does my camera keep blurring? You can see right here, it's a little crack. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but I'll show you close up. Okay, that's still not visible. That's annoying. Oh, stupid 1080p iPad camera. Well, this thing's an iPad Air 2 I'm recording with. So, yeah. But lifting up the battery, there's something sticking it down. There's the trackpad. And that's just dust. You can brush it off with a brush. Yeah, that's not really helping, but it'll sure be better. But you can see it is an original battery. It has a tab. So we're done with that for now. Put it on the bed. Next is the 2010 unibody MacBook Pro. This find today at the dumpster with the, where did one of my screw bits go? Bet I put it somewhere. Okay, we got a problem now. Oh, it's right there. Okay, so I can't believe I found that top casing today. First, I found an Apple mouse, which is upstairs. It's the old wireless ones, and it looks really ugly. You gotta I'll show you guys it one day. In a video, future video. But yeah, it's really ugly. It's wireless, but my iMac can now have a full Apple keyboard and mouse setup, which is gonna be good. That's gonna be cool. So that'll be fun. So now that that is open, you can unplug the battery and start unscrewing it with our trioing bit. Yeah, these screws are very, the top where it lines up with the screwdriver is almost worn down. But here's the battery. Let's get our 2012 battery and pop it in. You can see here, give it a small light brush. Plug it in. And let's see if it turns on. Let's get the tweezers and line up the pins. Let me turn on my light. Slightly better, but line it up to the pin. I don't think this battery has a charge in it, but my damn MagSafe charger is upstairs. Be right back, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. My MacBook charger. Hopefully that wasn't too long to make you leave the video. But if you did leave the video, well, too bad. I didn't see this part. But if you stayed, thank you. So, I got my MagSafe charger. I'm going to plug it in. So, oh yeah, let's check the battery indicator without the charger. No power with the battery. It looks like it's gonna charge, but let's power it up. All right, it's turning on. My DVD drive. But, yep. Let's connect it to a monitor and see if the battery works. So I'm going to screw down one screw for the battery and see if it'll charge. The broken tab, it's kind of annoying. Okay, one screw. I hope it'll charge, because then this will be a good battery. So I'm just gonna pop a random bottom panel onto my MacBook Pro 13-inch unibody. Did it just turn off? Oh, yeah, I gotta turn it on again. Yep, it turned off. Sorry about that panel noise. Alright, it's turning back on. Better make sure that power cord doesn't turn off. That's a faulty one. I have a faulty one. So, first of all, I'm gonna get my cable. I'm gonna move my table, drag it out. Hopefully that didn't annoy too much. Oops. Let's plug it in. And my monitor is turned on. Alright. This is my face. Let me connect the mouse. And the keyboard. Yes, my keyboard does not work on this unibody MacBook. Cable's broken. So let's type in the password. I don't want you guys to see it. So, yeah, look at my iFixit kit. I'll leave that in the link in the description below. But, yeah. Same with my magnetic pads. So, it looks like it's done. Come on, you're loading. Okay, I ignore clean my Mac. This is kind of a slow MacBook. All right. I don't care about iCloud. Come on, system report. And I'm gonna go check power. Cycle count 699. I don't care about iCloud, okay? Just drag it over there. Here it is, the cycle count. And it's charging. Condition normal, cycle count 699. Okay, 699. Not bad. So the battery does indeed have some sort of charge in it, I guess. But I'll let it charge for a bit. And yeah, I guess next week on my next week video, hopefully my Retina MacBook Pro battery arrived because mine is severely degraded. It's 6 years old. It's a 2015 Retina. So yeah, I know other channels have other tech YouTubers have 2013 15-inch MacBook Pros, older Macs than me, and their batteries have lasted longer and stuff. But it's basically been plugged into power all the time. It's been used a lot, so it's definitely time for a new battery. So anyways, I gotta show you this DVD drive I found. Look at how bent that is. It's so bent. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and smash the bell and click all for notifications so that you get all notifications completely free. And also, and just like the video, please. I'll appreciate it. Please just like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.